What's up, guys? I'm Evie,
I'm Laurie.
and our channel is A Sprinkle of Sparkles. And today we are going to be making a hot glue mask. And you don't have to use a mask like this as like how to make it. You can just trace your eyes on paper, or just draw what you want on paper and then do it. But we're using this. You can use a face cast. It's pretty much just a model of a face, is what a face cast is. Or you can use a standard just mask like this. Pretty sure this is like an Oriental trading mask or something. But yeah, let's just get right into it. What? What is this? I'm sorry.
Your job is to hold the end of that so I don't pull it all the way through.
Okay. That's the front.
Huh?
Never mind. Hold up. Yeah, that's the back. That's the back
I'm
of
doing
it.
it right.
Okay.
Right?
Go ahead now. Do do. Do do. Go ahead now. Do do. Do do. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Okay. Hold on. Don't let me mess it up. I don't know how you're not supposed to do that, but
I'm hungry. There's stuff all over my skirt. What? Oh.
she's just saying that. She has no idea what she's talking about.
No.
That worked.
Illuminati confirmed.
That doesn't even make sense.
Well, you don't make sense.
It always makes sense. Except if I have a migraine, in which case I usually don't.
Illuminati confirmed. Yo, I just got an idea. Okay, so if you didn't want whatever this thing is called to like move up and down,
The pinwheel.
pinwheel. If you didn't want this pinwheel to move up and down, you put a dot of hot glue up here. Illuminati confirmed. I am extremely weird. Hold up. This is like hypnotizing. Guys, I'm gonna hypnotize you. Stare at this.
Okay.
Hypnotized.
Don't pull it out because I'm not doing that again.
Just gonna pull it a little bit. More like a lot. Did you injure yourself?
No, I'm just trying to get some of the glue off the needle.
Go ahead now.
Hi, buddy.
Look at.
Hi, little buddy. You don't feel as cold today. You're in the sun. You're hanging out in the sun.
You probably just went out there and laid in the sun for like
guessing.
an hour. Hey, can you see if you can tie this?
Oh, why do I have to do all the hard stuff? Why don't you glue it? Well, that'll probably come apart.
Background talking.
Did you see if it's actually going to fit your head?
Holding this here. It'll go on.
So you want it tied like that? Uh-oh. I think you might want a longer ribbon.
Can you like tie some ribbon on this? Where's that ribbon?
On the floor?
Yeah, just like tie some ribbon on this. Hello. Here, you can do that.
Poppy's taking the ribbon.
You can do that.
I'm not. I've done
Hey, I glued the whole mask.
I've did my part. I have contributed.
Yo, did.
I don't understand. If that's in a knot, it's not going to go through there.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna knot it.
I think you'd be better off cutting this and putting more on each side, and then you can just tie it the right amount.
Okay.
Oh,
Just like a.
I thought you were going to whack me.
dog doing?
Sitting in the sun.
Oh, I thought I heard like
Licking. It's the carpet.
Yeah.
He's licking the carpet.
That's weird.
He got himself too close to it, and he can't put his head down the way he wants to because he got it all spitty.
Ew. That's disgusting. I'm sure everybody needs to know that.
They probably didn't hear me anyway because I don't talk loud enough.
You don't. Like, you need to make your voice lower or something.
Hi, puppy.
Pick him up. Grab him. Go
He
grab
wants
him.
to be in the sun. He's scratching on the door again.
I'm not letting him out.
He scratched the door and then he laid down. Like he doesn't really want out. It was just a, hey, pay attention to me. Scratch, I think.
Hey, can you cut some of this off? Like, up farther. Okay. Now cut this in half.
Oh. I think you want it long because you're going to have to tie it. You can always cut more off later, but if you make it too short, then you got to keep tying more pieces to it.
So I'm just going to knot it on here and then just tie it at the back in like a bow or something whenever I want to wear it.
Good idea. Wonder what made you think of that.
I don't even think anybody heard what I said. Guys, comment down below. You might get a shout out if you heard what I said.
Look like those weird sunglasses people put on top of their glasses.
Huh? Oh, the big butt sunglasses.
Yep. They work though.
Aww. Okay. This is a finished product. I'm sure you guys can do better than us. I would love to...
Nailed it.
I would love for you guys, if you do this, to be tagged in it. On Twitter, I'm Evie29134. On Instagram, I am Evie Groves29134. And on Facebook, I'm Evie Groves, and it's a picture of me in black and white smiling like this. Not kind of, it's like...
Take 3.
It's that.
You could do take 3?
No. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Keep on sparkling.
Okay. And have a great day.
I was saying keep on sprinkling.